Welcome to my channel Everything PS. In this new tutorial, you will learn how to make a professional introduction like the one you saw at the beginning of the video. In the After Effects program, in an easy and fast way without any effort by using a ready-made template. All you need to do is adjust it in a few simple steps. Stay tuned. First, you have to download the files, it is completely free. You will find the download links in the description box below the video. After downloading the file, you will find it as a compressed file, then decompress it. After decompressing the file, open the file. You will find more than one different copy of the template. Open the version that works for your version. I have the latest version of After Effects 2020. So I'm going to open the latest available version of the template, CC 2017. Now open the version that you will be working on. After opening the program, you will be asked to allow the conversion of this version to the version that is appropriate for your version. Click OK. The template that you will download contains 4 different forms of professional introductions. Now we will take a quick look at it. We will choose one of these forms and complete the explanation on it in detail. Thus, you can apply the same steps to any of the other forms. Now if your device is weak, then put preview on a quarter. We will be working on the introduction with the name main4. Close others. This will be the shape of the introduction that we will get. Now we will replace the logo with our logo. Go to the layer with the name logo plus alpha. Open this layer by double-click on it. Again, open this layer also by double-clicking on it. Now we got to the logo. We will delete this logo by deleting this layer. Click delete. We will replace it with our logo. Now bring your logo. Drag and drop it here. This is the size of the logo 1920 1080 pixels. From here you can control the size of the logo by reducing or enlarging it. Hold and move and hold Alt plus Shift in order to maintain the ratio between length and width. Now let's see the result. This process may take some time depending on the ability of your device. This is the result. From here, you can also control the size of your logo. You can zoom in or out as we did before. Now we will change the text. Go to the layer named text. Open it. Now go to the layer containing the text. Then choose the text tool. Then double-click on the layer containing the text. You will select the text. Now you can write anything you want. I will write the name of my channel Everything PS. I will pick a font called Serena. I will put a link to download the font in the description box. You can adjust the font size as desired. Now let's see the result. You can move the text and control its size as well, using the arrows on the keyboard. This is the final result. Now, let's export our video. The video duration is 10 seconds. I will export only 7 seconds. Then, go to File Export Add to Render Queue. Here from the Output module click on Lossless. From Format choose QuickTime. For good quality and suitable size. Then click OK. From Output you can choose where you want to save your video. You can choose where you want to save your video. Now choose where you want to save it. You can also choose a file name. Then press Save. Now click Render. There is another way to export the video with a very small size. And this method I always use. It is through the Adobe Media Encoder program. If you own this program, let's see the method. Go to File Export Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. Now that the program has been opened, let's set up the settings. Click here to choose the appropriate settings. From Format choose H264 and from Preset for me, I will choose YouTube 1080p Full HD. But you can choose whatever you want. From Output name you can put any name as you want. Enter the name and click on Save. To get the best possible quality make sure you check render at maximum depth. And from bitrate encoding choose VBR, 2 passes. You can also check use maximum render quality. But this will take more time while rendering the video. Now click OK. Under the output file choose the place that you want to save the video. Here we go, we are done. Click on this green button to start the rendering. This may take some time. It depends on the ability of your device. Now today's lesson is over. I hope it is a useful lesson. If you like the video, press like. Subscribe to the channel and activate the alarm bell to receive all new. See you soon in a new video. Bye bye.